some special center-driven numbering machines. These are actually skip 10s. They have standard unit wheels that stay constant. And so these are 8 of them I have to repair. And they don't make these ones anymore, especially like they used to. Okay, let's go. Let's see how fast I can do this. Strip them and then clean them. 4 end plate screws. These ones are pretty darn dirty. You can actually see some of the wheels I've already noticed, and some of these levers. Some of these levers have notches and I have to be replaced. Anyways, some dirt. Come on. Some of these pins may be loose. It is a standard. What happens? Okay. I get them down to the bare bones first. All the screws and whatnot off of them. Some of these are tough to loosen. I already loosened them actually before. Be patient, don't strip ahead. Put it back here. Okay. Okay. Get all that done. Now, okay, let's take some shafts out. I want to go this way. Oops. Pretty mucked up. This one was really mucked up. Whoa. Way bad. Alright. Let's use that as a shaft ejector. Take the wheels. Oh, absolutely all mucky. These ones are really bad. Oh, not bad. Okay, that's that. Now I remove the hair springs. Very expensive, these hair springs. Like $20 each or something. Something ridiculous. But that's what you get for precision pieces, and you're supposed to be in there. Get in there. Put you over there. Trying to be in the center. Right. Yeah, that one needed. Some of these are bent. And swing frame. Alright. There you go. Rinse, repeat. There. I've got 9 to do. I've got 2 already done. Or 8 to do, I should say. Okay. Look for the tube shaft set screw. Goes in through this way, sits there, locks. Do this to the frame. Now this is the trickiest, one of the trickiest machines that I do. See now, this I have to wedge open without causing a lot of problems like that. Because this is a 4-handed job. Okay, now you take one with the retaining balls. These are hair springs. Just like to I'm doing nothing to them. If you're thinking that I'm bending them, I'm not. I'm just torquing them back a bit, just if they look down the way, so they look parallel. These are very expensive. These little pieces of spring. Uh-oh, I got a dinger. I got a dinger going off. And Donna's birthday today. All right. Now, take one of these. Not that far. And I'm doing one at a time because they're crazy to do all, to hold these all up. See that this hairspring comes up everywhere. Come on. Alright, let's do it. I gotta do this 7 times on each machine. So keep your idea. Okay. Come on, what's going on there? Okay. Line it up with the actuating pawl. That's the retaining, this is the retaining pawl, this is the actuating pawl. And it rides on, let's do it. Let's get the next set. I didn't pull the next set out. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all the same, so it doesn't matter what position. Just the gears, the 1 gear drop. On all of them, they're just standard solid 10s. Usually give them a wipe. And this is your skip 10 wheel, always stays 5. The number. It's either number 1 through 9. Now I take one, the end, and don't put it in to the lower drop gear. Fits on this side of the gear. Let's see if you can see it better this way. Gotta stop it there and seat it there. Well, I position this shaft. Come on. Come on, kitty, get in there. Oh, there we go. And now I can shore up this so it's in the right position. It's a little crooked. Okay, get over there. See if that flies off, which it so easily can and does. See, now what I've done, I can take this out because it was holding back this. If I would have put it on first, the swing would have been completely over. The opposite way. In other words, the wrong position. Okay. Do it all again. The wheel. Line it up to that. Put on that gear. It's got to be in the width of the gear way. There. Position it. There. Go back again. And make sure this sits good. Okay, I will come back when it's all done, give you an idea. This is tricky here. I have to do these last 2 at the same time, but I do the inside one first. So, put you in there. Hold you up. Did I get it? Yes, I did. Okay. And another. This goes on the tens position. Okay. And what I do is I kind of position them, as you can see here, same distances apart. Even though the pawls are down a bit, I push the pawls up. And I take the last two wheels, this being the tens position, and this being the skip 10 position. Oh! No. Take these two, and they get, I'm holding it in there, and you move these retaining pawls over till they meet, I'm blocking it, meet in the channel. See that one is there, it's a little over, a little back. See both, all the hairs are on. And if they move that over, problem is it's got to be past that before it will snap it. Okay, same time, press this in. And one wheel. Up. Come on. There we go. All the way in. Now, where is it? There. Right there is where the shaft set is. See, the hole goes through there. There. This wee little one goes in here. Okay. Lever goes in. I always move the actuating pawl all the way forward, and I'm trying to move it forward. Let's get these straight in here. This is not in straight. That's why. There. Ooh, what am I missing? All these straight. Okay. There, move that forward. The lever pin, which is solid, is it? Sometimes these get damaged. There you go. Don't tighten them all down at once. Go right through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like Binger made amazing numbering machines. G.C.I.U, Atlantic G.C.I.U are the only ones left now that are actually, I don't know whether they're manufacturing them. I think they just made lots of stock to be able to make the machines, because that's what I'm getting. And once the US president manager or whatever of G.C.I.U retires, don't know where that's gonna go for parts. I might retire one day. Hardly. I'm on an island. I live on an island. I'm already been retired 5 years now. On here. Okay. Don't go crazy. Just tight and the hairline more. And I got this one like, oh, there you go. Okay, now take a center driven rod. I don't have the plunger attached to it. The rod fits in that channel. It's in that channel. The plunger presses down and it turns it back and forth. Let's see. See? Skip 10, 105, 115, 25, 35. Alright. Let's see where this goes. They're all solid, so they all show. And you will, oh, should be at 9s. Sorry, it's a forward machine. Duh. Okay, now we're waiting for the actuating pawl to drop as it goes to turn over. There you go. There you go. Turns them all over. Perfect. 1, 3.
As I've said so many times, if we do not deal with the situation there, then the way of
All right, we're done. That's what she looks like, all of them. So they're set to skip 10. These are 2 5s, 3 5s, a 7, 2 6s, and 2 9s. So you must have a whole parcel of these things. Anyways, that's it for today. Model 426 forward Gothic skip 10 center driven numbering machines. Ta-da!